is content marketing.
People love it, and that's the beautiful thing, because they don't think they're being marketed to.
With me are Peg Fitzpatrick and Rebecca Radice.
Quickest, shortest, bam, how to get on Pinterest quick.
I'm honored to have Danny Sullivan on the show here today.
I kind of want to slap him upside the head and say, oh, well, goodness knows, we would never gain link signals, right? That would never happen.
Not use the reshare button, or else your commentary is lost when reshared.
This is a dilemma for those of us that feel that we're adding valid commentary.
And to say, I only care about something if it boosts my rankings, and therefore, guest posting it is. Oh man, you're killing me.
Is it possible to be successful with Google Plus only?
That's an interesting thing.
Oh, horrors. Your blog post actually starts out ranking your money page and your revenue goes down.
It's just not how content marketing has ever worked, nor do I think it's how content marketing will ever work.
I have 20 guest posts, and my competitor has 80 guest posts, so I don't understand why I got hit and they're fine.
Okay, as soon as I get the blueprint for the Google algorithm, I'll unravel the actual reasons why that person is outranking you. But that doesn't change the fact that we still know we're giving you good advice, right?